Apparently you're not allowed to film here. You know what always surprised me is how these brands are making their money, honestly.
It's Christmas Day and I'm so crazy and I'm heading towards Westfield Stratford because Billie Eilish just dropped her beauty routine and I need the lip stain as my tattoo is gone at the moment, so I just picked few items what she used and I went to hunt for them, like this Maybelline pencil. I use brown pencil, but I was really curious if she can wear it, I want to wear it too. And I'm not usually following like influencers or celebrities, but her routine was so intriguing.
Okay, now we have to find, so loud in here, I'm underneath her mix. 1 second. Now we need the Sashu lip tint. Let's get it.
One good thing if you're a content creator, like you have access to the brands and they reply you back ASAP. And I also was digging in TikTok and Instagram what shade she used. So I head to Boots because they have Sashu brand and I was like so curious to see if it's still there because it's been like 2 days now since she released her video or uploaded her video.
Okay, now we're gonna go and secure. We need the lip stain. What is this lip stain?
In this point I question myself, why did I come to the shop today and it's so crowded?
Anyways, apparently you're not allowed to film certain brands like YSL. Who cares? Honestly. Since when the shopping experience is not shopping experience anymore, like you're not allowed to even do anything what you want to do. I saw it on TikTok, but I don't know. It's actual thing. Apparently in Boots then.
Boots in general has the worst customer service as the girls didn't even know that they're selling this brand. Like ask any girls, they didn't know what I'm asking for. Like this is so confusing. How can this be happening? What are they doing in the shop every day, 24 hours? Like it's so confusing. So I'm gonna order everything online because I can't bother to come to shops.
In a Boots. I mean, how they're making the money? Like you are not allowed to try the products. You are not allowed to film in there. Like what you are allowed to do then? Like it's a cosmetics shop. Like no wonder most of the people are just buying stuff online because you can't try anything, you can't do anything. Like nothing is allowed anymore in the stores. And I was just trying out my camera and they're like, oh, you can't film in here, this brand and this brand. What? Well, it's crazy, like it's so crazy in the shops at the moment. So, you know, usually I don't go on the weekends or like holiday times because it's like just so crazy and people are like crazily buying the last minute Christmas gifts and stuff.